Good morning children, today I am going to explain about the same lesson called family. So, in the family, we learn about what is a family. In this lesson, we learned about what is a family, what is a family tree, and what are the types of the family. And then symbols, how we can use the symbols while drawing the family tree. And we can understand the symbols. By drawing the symbols, we can understand the persons living in the family. Okay children, now we are going to know more about the similarities of the joint and then nuclear family. And what are the differences between nuclear and then joint family. So children, first we will discuss about the similarities of the joint and then nuclear family. Both these families are very loving and kind type of families. So the persons living in these two families, they are loving each other. They are kind type of families. So the persons, they are understandable. They are understand each other. They are loving each other, and they have a kindness towards other persons of the same family. Okay. Both the family, both the type of the family. So, nuclear and joint family, loving and kind type of, they are very loving and kind type of families. We have both means joint and nuclear. Both are very loving and kind type of family. Is it? And then this is the similarities we find in both the families, that is joint family and then nuclear family. They are loving each other. They are taking care each other. They are understandable each other. They are kind type of families. Both the families are kind type of families. So then, what is the difference? So this is about the similarities. Next we will going to discuss about the differences between the two families. What is the difference between joint and then joint family? Another one is nuclear or small family. Already you know that joint means it is a large or big family. Nuclear means it is a small family. Joint family is a big or larger family. It is a small family. Nuclear family is a small family. And then how many generations we can see in these two families? So the joint families we can see more than 2 generations. So here we can see only 2 generations. 2 generations. Is it? Is it children? So in this joint family we can see more than 2 generations. In the small family we can see only 2 generations. Is it? So a joint family is a large family consisting great grandparents, parents and their children, cousins. Is it? So what about the nuclear family? A nuclear family is a small family unit consisting only the parents and children. Is it? So this these are the difference between the two families, that is joint and nuclear family. Joint family is a larger family. Is it? It consists of great grandparents and then grandparents, parents, children and their cousins. So in the nuclear family, it is a small family unit consisting of only parents and their children. Is it? So nuclear family is a small family. It is a small family unit consisting only of two generations. That means only parents and their children. So this is all about differences between the two families. Okay. Joint family is a larger family consisting great grandparents and then grandparents, then parents, children and cousins. Is it? Cousins. So then here, what about the nuclear family? It is a small family consisting, it is a small family unit consisting only parents and children and their children. This is about the difference among these two families, that is joint and nuclear family. So children, so let us find a friend. So whose friend? Manu's friend. We already know about. Manu's family is a joint family. So his friend family is a joint family. Let us find out what is his advantage and disadvantage of a joint family. Children, we are going to know about the advantage and the disadvantage of the joint family. Do you know about the advantage? Advantage means what is the use of the joint family, and then what is the which one? Disadvantage means it is not useful. So how it is disadvantage? We are now going to discuss about this, about the joint family. Advantage. If we are living in the joint family, what is the advantage? If you are living in the joint family, what is the disadvantage? So advantage ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನುಕೂಲ, ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. Okay, disadvantage means ಏನು ಅನಾನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ. So we are going to discuss about this, children. So if you are living in joint family, what is the advantage of it? What is the advantage if you are living in joint family? We will find togetherness. Is it? We will find togetherness if you are living in a joint family. The feeling of togetherness. Here, okay, first we will discuss about only the advantage of joint family, and then joint family, it cultivates some habits. What is that? Sharing becomes a habit. We share things, we share materials if you are living in the joint family. Oh, okay, children, sharing becomes habit in the joint family. becomes habit in the joint family. Children, if you are living in the joint family, so we learn one habit called, so what is that? Sharing. We share the things, we share the food, we share the materials. Is it? We share the things. If you brought one book, your parents, if you brought one book, you will share it. So that sharing habit it will cultivate. So it is cultivated if you are living in joint family. Is it? And then elders, they will teach how to respect the elders, how to behave in the society, they will teach them about the family values. We learn to respect. So joint family, the elders in the joint family, they will teach us about the respect. We should respect the elders. Is it? And also we learn the family values. Because of the joint family, we learn the family values if you are living in joint family. So then it improves the social skills. So what is that meaning? If you are going outside, how to behave with others. So we will learn in our family if you are living in joint family. So improved social skills are cultivated in this family. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾವು ನಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಿಂದ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, we learn the social skills. It improves the social skills. Okay, and then feeling of togetherness. Sharing becomes habit. This we are going to learn. And also one more thing we learn in the joint family. What is that? The elders in the joint family, they educate us beyond the book. So book ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. So ಯಾರು? So the elders in the joint family. So education beyond the, we get the education beyond the book. Education beyond the book. So these are all we learn. These are all advantage of joint family. If you are living in the joint family, we learn this. Is it? These are all about advantage of joint family. So what is the disadvantage of joint family? If you are living in joint family, what are the problems we face? So children, we are living in the large family or yes, joint family. So there is some financial stress. We need to share everything. Is it? So if one person is earning the money, so then it is a problem. Then it is a financial stress. So all the people living in that family, they depend on that person only. So here the necessities are incomplete. All persons, they do not get what they need. Or ಏನು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರಲ್ಲ. So there is a first one, financial stress. And then emotional stress. So ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಮಾಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ causes emotional stress. So second one is emotional emotional stress. So that means there is no understand. So there is no, the children, they are not understand each other. So and also some missed connection with some of the children living in the joint family. There is a missed connection. There is a missed connection with some of the children. They are living in joint family. These are the disadvantages of the joint family. So here I am giving only both 3 of 6 advantages and disadvantages. So in our daily life we come across so many problems. If we are living in joint family, we are facing, isn't it? We are facing so many problems. So some of them, some more advantage are possible if you are living in joint family. If we are living in the joint family, there is a more advantage compared to the disadvantage. Okay children, what we learned today? We learned about the similarities of the both the families, or of the joint and the nuclear families. And we also know about we discuss about the differences between joint and nuclear families. If you are living in a joint family, what are the advantages? If you are living in a joint family, what are the disadvantages? So we learned in this class about this children. We will continue in the next class. Thank you children.